Good morning, student. This is the next chapter of English. The name of the chapter is Shushruta, a peep into the past. Children, this is a story about a student and a teacher. So, what is the story about? Let's see. Children, this is basically a true story how the veterinary hospital has started. Now, what's the meaning of veterinary? It's a hospital where the animals are treated. When they become ill, they have some problem, so they go to the veterinary hospital. So let's see. First I'll read paragraph wise and I'll explain you. Shushruta was indeed a bright student of veterinary medicine. His teacher, Shalihotra, one decided to test him. Children, this is Shushruta and this is Shalihotra. The name of a student is Shushruta and Shalihotra is teacher. Shushruta was a very bright student. So because of that only, Shalihotra once decided to take test. He asked Shushruta what all he would need to perform a surgery on a wonderful horse. Shushruta very quickly listed down all the instruments and the medicines that would be needed. So one day he asked Shushruta that please tell me that what would we use when we perform a surgery to a wonderful horse. Shushruta very quickly listed all the instruments and medicines what they used while treating a horse. 3 things are missing, Shalihotra said. After seeing that, Shalihotra said that 3 things you have missed here. Confused Shushruta, look at him. I will give you a week to find them, Shalihotra consoled. After saying that, Shalihotra said to the Shushruta, okay, I will give you 1 week. Just find out what's the 3 things you are missing here. Curious to find out what those 3 things were, Shushruta observed his teacher carefully for the next 1 week. He was very bright student, children. Then he is very curious to know that what's the 3 things what I missed over here. I have wrote all the instrument medicine, but my guru, my teacher is telling me that 3 things I am missing. So for that, to find out that, he observed all the things of Shalihotra carefully with what he is doing and what I am missing. Before operating the horse, Shalihotra observed every part of the horse, and then Shushruta found the first missing thing. Then first things he got. What is missing? That before the operating, his guru Shalihotra used to look carefully the animal. He observed every part of the horse. A good veterinarian should have an eagle eye. So before treating the animal, you should observe the animal, each and every part of it. A good veterinarian, what is the meaning of veterinarian? An animal doctor who treated the animal is called a veterinarian. A good veterinarian should have an eagle eye. He should look the animal with careful eyes. Then Shalihotra treated the animal as if it were his own, balancing science and compassion equally. And lo, Shushruta found his second rule. A good veterinarian should have a lion's heart. Second thing, what he observed, what he found, that Shalihotra treated his animal that if it is his own animal, with balancing sign, with proper medicine, proper treatment, and with compassion equally, like if his own child, with giving very love and care. So he should have a lion heart also. That he should be treated, he should not be fear while treating the animals. Shalihotra helped the horse recover after the surgery. Shushruta came to know that a good veterinarian should have a mother touch too. After the treating the animals, Shalihotra he look after the animal like a mother care. Third thing, also he found that they should have a mother heart. Later in his life, Shushruta wrote a book on surgery. Part 2. A tradition of veterinary therapy developed very early in India, and this has survived to the present time. Children, this veterinary hospitals medicine was started in previous only in very early age in India, and is still we are treating animals in veterinary hospital. You can find many veterinary hospitals in India now. Based on Ayurveda, Indian veterinary medicine is known for its specialized literature, which provides information and on Asian method of preventing and treating diseases of animals. Some of these treatments, little known outside India, are still practiced today. Children in India is very well known. They are using Ayurveda treatment also to the animals. Some of the treatment are still going out and they are still practiced out of the India. The oldest exciting veterinary text from India is a treatise entitled Asvayurveda Siddhanta, a complete Ayurvedic system for horse. So there is an oldest existing veterinary text from India, and its name is Asvayurveda Siddhanta. What's the meaning of this? The meaning is a complete Ayurvedic system for horse, attributed to Shalihotra around 2350 BCE, the founder of veterinary medicine. So the children, who the founder of this medicine? The Shalihotra. Subsequently, various treatises on horses and diseases of horses were composed. Nakula, one of the 5 Pandavas, was a horse specialist himself. As we heard about 5 Pandavas, children, Nakula is one of them. He himself is very specialist about the horses. Among the best known work of animal literature is Aswa Chikitsita, Therapeutic of Horses, written by Nakula. So this is the name of the literature, Aswa Kitsita. Who wrote this? Therapy. Who wrote this about horses? It's written by Nakula. Shushruta, a disciple of Shalihotra, wrote an animal surgery. You know the Shushruta, the student of Shalihotra. He also wrote an animal surgery. This made people aware of surgical method, dressing of wound, bandaging of fractures, etc. So what he wrote, children, in that book, that how you can bandage the animals, how you can dress their wounds, how you can do the surgical on animals, etc. Later, during the region of Chandragupta Maurya, around 300 BC, veterinarians started accompanying armies to the treat horses, elephant, as well as cattle. So, children, after that, the Chandragupta Maurya around 300 BC, they also started a veterinarian of about when they used to go to the outside for war. They were very much horses and elephant with them. So during the war they got injured. So for that also they have started to treat the horses, elephant, as well as cattle. So children, this is the end. This is not end of this chapter over here. This is in next video I will continue this chapter. Thank you.